Top 5 Best Electric Kettle. Top 1. Original Xiaomi Mi Electric Water Kettle 1.5L. White Brief Introduction. Original Xiaomi Mi Electric Kettle is a smart water heater with 1.5L large capability and 12 hours temperature control time, and automatically switches off once water comes to a boil. The water temperature can be remote controlled via your Xiaomi smart home app, everything in on your hand. Top 2. TK01 1809S Stainless Steel Electric Kettle 2 PCS, Silver Chinese Plug, 3-pin, Hidden Heating Plate Anti-Dry Protection 360-degree Rotary Electric Kettle Automatically breaks after boiling water. Stainless steel liner. Voltage 220 volt. Power 1800 W. Material Labs Plus Stainless Steel. Top 3. S06W1 Electric Kettle Double Layer from Xiaomi Youpin. Milk white. Main features 0.6L small size, easy to pick up with one hand. The mainstream voltage 110V 240V International Universal 800W speed. Heat power. Fast boiling water. The inner cavity is integrally formed without dirt. Double anti-scalding insulation. The outer layer is high temperature resistant material. Stat. Top 4. Xiaomi SK152B Electric Kettle EU Plug from Xiaomi Youpin. Night. Main features real-time temperature display, water temperature intelligent control, triple safety protection. Thermal insulation mode can be selected through the panel button. Mode, according to personal needs, can be set up to 12-hour accurate temperature. It can be kept warm for 12 hours and consumes about 0.5 kWh. Power off. Top 5. Stainless steel Mocha Espresso Percolator Coffee Pot, Silver 450 megaliters. Features. This coffee maker is made of superior stainless steel material, easy to clean ergonomic plastic handle design, which fits in the hand comfortably. It is small size and exquisite appearance, makes your life more elegant. This product can be placed on any cooking appliance, and just infuse.
I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.